Wagwan guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing some peanut punch, aka strongback. So let's get right into it. Here we have a bottle of dragon. So I'm going to be pouring that into the blender. Then we're going to go ahead and add some flaxseed. Then we're going to be adding some sunflower seed also. Then we have some raw peanut that we're going to be adding to the mixture as well. Then we have some oats, so we are going to be doing it twice. So we're going to add some now and then add some later. So we're going to blend this out. So yes guys, now we're going to be adding some supplement to our peanut punch. But we're not going to be adding all, it's like 1 cup, but we're not going to be adding all of it at once. We're going to be putting it in gradually. So now that we add our peanut punch, we're going to be blending everything together. So this is a regular mixture in my household. We normally make this, and back then when we were in Jamaica, I used to make it regular. This was requested by one of my followers to make it, so I am honoring his request. So now we're adding some more supplement to the mixture. Now we're going to get the spoon and mix it around a little bit because it's very rich and thick. Yes guys, this is Pal's strongback. Then we're adding some more oats to the mixture. You don't want to add the oats at once, all the oats at once. Then now we're gonna add some nutmeg. You can also put vanilla in there, to give it that buzz. So when you drink 1 cup, you want another cup because it's nice. It just gives you that flavor, the island vibes there. You guys know the vibes I'm talking about. Yeah. So now we're gonna blend in everything, give it that authentic flavor, that nice flavor. Guys, I don't drink this because I'm allergic to nuts, but I make it for my husband. So now we're pouring it out of the blender to mix it out. So now that we pour it out of the blender, we're going to go ahead. You see that richness, thick and smooth. So now we're going to be sweetening it with some condensed milk. Tell you guys, this looks amazing. Wishing I hear from multiple sources that I make it for that it is delicious and them love it and them always request it back, So now we're sweetening it. You can have it with some ice if you want. You can have it just like this. That richness, nice, flavorful, have a lot of vitamins. Guys, I tell you, you can't go wrong with that juice here. You cannot go wrong with this mixture. I am telling you. So guys, remember, this is Pal's strongback with a whole heap of niceness, a whole heap of buzz, a whole heap of something. So guys, I'm gonna be pouring some of this mixture out right now to a glass. Yes, guys. So this is the finishing. Yes, rich, thick, smooth. So guys, if you want to eat like, just please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at pals_kitchen_. And remember, live good, love God. See you next time.